In this video I'd like to show you how to merge certain parts of a project into your MX Business project, and the one way I'll show you today is importing a label, which is a good example because I have no labels at the moment in my project. So firstly, you will need a backup of a project which is on the same version as your project right now. Second thing we're going to do is log into MX Business and click Utilities, Merge Data, Merge from Project. And obviously it's important to take a backup beforehand. I would highly recommend this. I've got a separate video on how to do that, just in case anything goes wrong, which could possibly happen. So if you click next and then click here to browse, so as you can see, well, you need to browse to your file location with the saved project backups, and this project is what I'm going to merge a label from. One thing that's very important is on the backup you're using, if it's using an ID, then you need to ensure that you don't have the same label ID in MX Business, otherwise it will overwrite it. And that goes for anything that you're merging, anything you're using, such as a sales message or keyboard. If it's using the same ID as whatever you've got in MX Business, it will overwrite it, which is partly why it's a good reason to take a backup, but most importantly just double check to be sure first. So choose a project and click open, then click next. It will then open. Now as you can see, this is where you have the selection of what you wish to import. As you can see, there's all kinds of things you can import, such as trace attributes, operators, operator roles, all that, keyboards, groups. You can do pretty much anything, but for labels we're going to import this one. As you can see, I've only got one record, so one label I wish to import. If there was more, then it would say something like 6, for example, and it would import them all. So tick that box, click next, and it's just saying here, are you sure? Because if the IDs clash, it'll be overwritten. So click yes, and that's it. So now it has imported and merged in the label. As you can see, if I go to labels, which is just here, you will see that it has merged the label in, and that's it. So when you're ready, click the send changes option, which will send it to the scale, and you are all done. And that's how you merge a label or anything into MX Business safely. Thanks for watching.